We have some new treats to try. Come on, baby. There you go. You want your new treats? Do you want your new treats? Open? You want mommy open? You open. You ready? Come on, bougie. You won't even try it. The first one was a no-go. Let's try this one. Here you go, baby. So I broke it in half. Let's see if he eat it. Okay, I think he liked that one. Go ahead, eat your treat. He trying to pick it up so he could bring it to his secret spot where he always going to eat treats. Come on, mommy, bring it over there for you. Come on. Come on. He like to eat his treat right here on the steps.